The innovation is finally here and I am speechless. What's up guys, it's time to take a closer look at the Galaxy Z Fold 2. There's been so much that we didn't know before that really makes this the best foldable phone in the universe. With Huawei out of the picture and Apple taking their sweet time, Samsung is the undisputed champion of the foldable world. The Z Fold 2 gives you a modern smartphone that can transform into a bezel-less tablet with a 120Hz display, 12 gigs of DDR5 RAM with Snapdragon 865 Plus worldwide, no Exynos BS. We've got 5G connectivity, flagship cameras, all with the same price, almost the same price as last year's Galaxy Fold. Samsung has kept the promise. It's starting at $2,000 and in my opinion, it absolutely does justice to that. The Z Fold 2 is in its own league, ending the traditional era of smartphone. This is where the future begins. There are quite a lot of things that we didn't know before about the Z Fold 2. First up is that it's actually customizable. Samsung has given us 4 color options to customize the hinge color depending on whatever model you choose. You can actually pre-order this right now and customize the hinge color. They showed off the black model with the gold hinge, actually looked really good. There are some other color options as well that you can choose from. If you buy the Galaxy Z Fold 2, you get special Z service, which is like a higher priority customer support. Samsung knows that the people who are buying this phone are the premium customers, which is why they're going to give you the top of the line response. Along with this, we have 1 year of free accidental coverage, and best of all, we have 3 years of software updates, meaning this is like an investment in the future. The specs and the features that this device is packing in, like anything next to this phone, feels outdated instantly. I'm pretty sure 2-3 years down the line, it's still going to be one of the most futuristic, era-defining products in the world. Right now, the Z Fold 2 has no competition. You look at other companies, there's nothing. So you're investing money in a piece of product that is above everything else. Android 13 ready, and of course, Samsung has worked closely with Google to deliver the best foldable software experience that I don't think any brand can make on their own. You need Google and other brands on board with this experience. As Samsung showed off that apps like YouTube, a lot of applications from Microsoft, Spotify, all these are optimized for the Fold 2 experience. So you're not just buying a beta product with the beta software. Things are top of the line this time around. It's actually pretty crazy how drastically the design is changed compared to the first Fold. The 6.2-inch outer display is as good as a traditional smartphone display. It is 60 Hz, but still, because of its big size and higher quality resolution, I definitely love it, and it's definitely a lot better compared to that small display that we saw on the original Fold. Now, switching between the outer and inner display, it's even more streamlined thanks to app continuity. It works more seamlessly than ever. Quite a lot of applications are specifically optimized to take advantage of the new flex mode, which allows you to lock your phone in specific orientation, and that just unlocks so much potential to use the phone in so many different ways. For example, when you're watching YouTube videos, you can have the video playing on the upper section, and on the bottom side you're getting related videos, or you can type in comment. It's like a mini laptop experience. Like I said, it's not just YouTube. There are many applications that will take advantage of that. With the Z Fold 2, you get a brand new photography experience where the phone utilizes the main display nicely. You get the preview at the bottom, but most exciting one is the high resolution selfies, which is only possible thanks to that high-res outer display. So pretty much you're using your main camera for your selfies, which will give you a ton of detail because this is packing the same camera setup as the flagship Galaxy S20 Plus with a dual pixel autofocus, which is incredibly fast. Like, there was no issue with the camera setup on the Galaxy S20, so we're getting that same treatment on the Galaxy Fold 2, and I'm actually glad that it doesn't have that camera setup from the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra because the bump would have been too big. So this is exactly what this phone needed. So should you spend $2,000? Well, first up, that's quite a lot of money, and you need to ask yourself if you have that kind of budget. If yes, then I will say spend this money because it's future in your hands. It's got 3 years of software updates, and 3 years down the line it's still going to make quite a lot of phones feel outdated. And also right now it's the only foldable phone that I'm personally going to recommend you to spend your money on because of the level of software trust and software optimization you're getting thanks to the collaboration between Samsung, Google, and Samsung actively collaborating with other brands like Microsoft, and pretty sure more brands will come on board for this this specific foldable design. So that was the closer look at the Galaxy Z Fold 2. It's absolutely incredible and I can't wait to get my hands on it. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.